looking for me? Oh, hello, Tegan. How good to see you. I'm glad we're able to talk with the help of my portable North Pole console. I bet you want to know if you made it onto my nice list this year.
Yeah.
All right. We'll find out very soon. But first, come with me.
Okay.
We'll take a look at your book. Here it is. Thank you very much. This is where I write down everything I know about you. You're 2 years old, aren't you? And you go to school. Now here's the exciting part.
Mommy.
This very special machine will go through your book so we can see what kind of year you've had. Time to lower the lights. Everybody, come and watch. Oh, here we go. You've really grown, haven't you? And don't worry, if you're on my nice list, I'll always know where to find you, whether you're home or somewhere else during the holidays. Tegan, I know that this year you've been asked to try your very best when you're in school. Now, did you make an effort to make it onto my nice list?